How to shorten a URL link. To protect data, a URL can contain various encrypted information that is transmitted. As a result, you often see URLs with a huge number of characters. That's the case with the URL link of our channel. This link is actually short compared to many other links you can find on the internet. I want to add a link to the YouTube channel in my profile bio, but I don't like how it looks. So, I'm going to shorten it. This procedure, of course, also applies to much longer links. Here's how you can shorten a link if you want to. First, open your browser. In the search field, enter short link and click on the text when it appears. You'll see several websites where you can shorten a URL link. I will use free URL shortener. Open it. In the Enter Link Here field, you need to enter the link you want to shorten. I haven't copied it yet, so I'll close this window now and open YouTube to copy the channel link. Then I'll go back and enter the link. After that, click the Shorten URL button. Soon, a shortened version of your link will appear below. Click on this icon to copy it. And now you can use and share it just like the original link. You can also perform this procedure on the web browser of your computer. I believe this tutorial will be helpful to you. If you liked it, like it and subscribe to the channel.